Hey Cornelius. Hey Zeus. What do you have there? Mutagen Ooze? I don't think you should be playing with that. You're already big enough. All we need is you to be bipedal and have thumbs. But it does give me an idea. How about we summon our own mutants? Yeah. Tales from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles action figures? This is quite a haul. I think we're going to be entertained for the next week or two. Well, I say, let's open it up! Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z, this is Cornelius, and you all know Zeus, who's still playing with his Mutagen Ooze. This week, we are bringing you some of the newest in Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle action figures. This is from the newest version of the Turtles. That's based on the movie that came out, Mutant Mayhem, and now the show, Tales from the Ninja Turtles. I have been collecting Ninja Turtles since they first came out. But when I say Ninja Turtles, yes, I had Leonardo, Raphael, Donatello, and Michelangelo. But I wasn't one that needed Michelangelo as a clown, or Leonardo as a samurai, or Donatello as a doctor. I was that nerdy kid who needed every animal species. So I have a collection of like the main characters, and then every different animal species that I could find since the original toy line and up. So I was very excited to see they are bringing new species of animals, which includes a hermit crab and chameleon, which these two are apparently based from the video game. And just for the fun of it, you can't have turtles without this Mutagen Ooze. So I say, let's start opening up. Now these are all by Playmates, which I think were the original toy line too. This comes in blue, green, or pink. For my iteration of the Turtles, the Ooze was always green. So, yes! We got the green. So now in theory, if I touch this, I will mutate into the last creature I've touched. Looks like I'm going to be a Teenage Mutant Ninja Cat. Oh. The gimmick with this was a mystery turtle, but the turtle was in a separate part of the Ooze, which is nice. So, like I said, if you didn't want to have to dig out your toy, there's my little turtle. And now he's going to be a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. I don't know how fast the mutation process happens. From what I can remember of the show, pretty quick. Now, obviously, keep away from pets and furniture and, well, anything you hold dear just in case. But I gotta say, other than making your hands a little wet, it's a nice slime. Ooh, that's pretty. All right, now to the figures. Now, it does say there's a code, character skin code inside that I don't know if you get to play as these characters in the game. So for me, someone who's debating playing it, I'm saving the packaging. So we have a very multicolored, which is part of the thing I loved. Like every part of him is turning into a different color. But this is a gnarly looking figure that will go right with my others. What's cool with this line is that I guess since it is still Playmates, they kind of kept them in scale with the original. So this is an original, you can tell I love Dusty, Raphael. And now Kimmy's quite large, but it still fits. So let's move on to Crabapult. So Krabby comes with a little Hermie crab, I guess, friend. A weight to lift. His shell is basically a garbage can. To me, it makes me think of a trap. Want to try again? I think these new figures go amazingly with the originals if you're collecting those. Overall, I am very excited to see TMNT line be reborn again. Thank you so much for watching this week, and make sure you tune in next time for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. Well, again, you had a preview. There's even more new species, mutants, from the Tales from the Ninja Turtles new show. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time. And here we have the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutants Unleashed action figures. This is definitely the hard to find glasses for duo. and a face only a mutant mother could love. And me, because I love them.